In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the URL field in Airtable. The URL field is perfect for storing clickable website addresses right alongside your records. Instead of keeping links in a plain text field where they're easy to mistype and hard to use, the URL field recognizes web addresses and lets you open them with a single click. Here's how to set it up and use it confidently. Start by heading to Airtable in your web browser. Sign in to your account so you can access your workspaces. Once you're in, open the base and the specific table where you want to keep your links. Think of the table as the spreadsheet-like view of your records, and the base as the overall project that contains it. Next, add a new field, or choose an existing field you'd like to convert. You can create a new field from the header row, or open a field settings if you already have one reserved for links. When the field customization panel appears, select URL as the field type. This tells Airtable to expect a web address and to treat it as a clickable link rather than plain text. Naming the field clearly, something like website, source link, or documentation, will make it easier for teammates to understand its purpose. Confirm your choice by clicking Create Field or Save, depending on whether you made a new field or edited an existing one. The column is now ready for links. Click into any cell in that URL column. Type or paste a complete website address. For the best results, include the full protocol, such as https://example.com, so there's no confusion about where the link should point. If you're pasting from your browser's address bar, double-check for extra spaces or punctuation before and after the link. When you're done, press Enter or click outside the cell to save your change. Airtable will store it as a link, and you'll notice it's now easy to spot and use. If something doesn't look right, simply click back into the cell to edit and fix the address. To open the site, click the link directly from Airtable. Your browser will launch the page, saving you the extra step of copying and pasting. This is especially handy for records that reference websites, support articles, marketing pages, or shared documents. That's all there is to it. By using the URL field, you keep your links tidy, consistent, and ready to open whenever you need them. If you're organizing multiple kinds of links, consider creating separate URL fields with clear names to keep everything structured and easy to find.